Hello, welcome back everyone. Now in today's session, we are going to discuss about a very interesting problem that has been asked in L&T Infotech for the role of data analyst. The problem is very simple and we will try to solve this problem in minimal steps. But before that, we will try to learn some new things, some new concepts so that with the help of this question, we can solve so many questions also. Okay. Now coming to the question, here you can see that we have an input table which is having three columns. Name is employee ID, department ID, and their respective salary. And what we want in output, their department ID and the highest and the lowest salary. So first of all, we will try to understand this problem. Here we have employee name is Anshu, Vipul, Dinesh and Dashar and their respective department ID. Now coming to the department ID 1, as you can see that here the highest salary is for Dinesh, which is 50,000, correct, 50,000. But coming to the Anshu, their salary is 30,000. So for the department ID 1, the highest salary will be 50,000 and the lowest salary will be 30,000. Now coming to the department ID 2, the highest salary is 40,000 and the lowest salary is 20,000. So what we want to arrange data in the base of department ID, and one column should populate the highest salary and another column should populate the lowest salary. Hope so you understand the problem statement clearly. Now we will try to solve this problem. But before that, I request you all, you can just execute this SQL query in your SQL server so we can do this question parallel. Here we have this employee table and we know about it what we want. But before that, as in this question, I'm going to solve with the help of Windows function and with the help of without Windows function. So first of all, you should be familiar about these concepts of rank, row number and dense rank. Here you can see that if we have values like 1, 2, 2 and 3, then what will be the rank? The rank will be 1 for the first. If it is repeating, then it will be 2. If it is repeating, then it will be 2. And for the last one, it will give 4. Okay, it will skip for the rank of third because third has been repeated with the rank of. Now coming with the concept of row number, it will not skip and it will give rank in a sequence like 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now coming with the concept of the dense rank, here you can see that for the first it will give first. If the rank is repeating or the row number is repeating, so it will give 2 and 2. But coming with the last one, it will not skip but it will give the as a dense rank is 3. So this is the basic difference between rank, row number and dense rank. If you want a separate video for this thing, then please just drop a comment. I'll try to explain with some few examples. Now coming back to the question. How can we solve this problem statement with the help of Windows function? Any ideas? Any guesses? Just think about that. Then we will solve the problem in parallel. Here we have column name as department ID and the respective salary. If I'll calculate the dense rank or any of the things will work because the salary is different for all of the members over partition by department ID order by salary. We will assign it should be on the basis of descending. So descending salary. Okay. Don't worry about that. We will understand this thing. Okay. And this is a table. So we will execute this table also in parallel. Select star from table. Okay. Now we'll understand about dense rank here. Here you can see that we have this input as which is having three columns. Now what we did, we applied dense rank. Okay, and we have partitioned the data on the basis of department ID. Like this will be in one partition and this will be in one partition. We can say that this department ID will be in one bucket and this will be in bucket. Now we are just ordering this data on the basis of salary from higher to lower. So first will be assigned to this, and second will be assigned to this, and similarly for the department ID too. So this is the basic syntax of the Windows function, just like here we're using the dense rank. So from this, we have just extracted the highest salary on the basis of department ID. But what we want, if we want lowest salary, we have to just use this query above and just change the parameter as ascending. Okay. Now you can see that are getting lowest salary. So in short, we want highest salary and lowest salary in column. Okay. Then to aggregate both of these, we will use a concept known as CT. What is CT? CT is a common table expression. I've also explained in the last video, but here we will also learn about this. Like this is a basic syntax of CT with CTS, and I'll just use this query once again. Okay, so I'm just closing the CT, and if I'll do select star from CT, then what we will get in output? The same one as we were getting, but here we are having one more column as descending one. But what if I have to use C2CT? Then we have to just pass comma and the name of another CT. Like above one is CT, then CT2S. Here is ascending. I am just change the name of the column as ascending. Okay, and just start the bracket and we will close this bracket here. So now we are having two CT. Select star from CT2. This will give output of this CT, means this table, and CT will give me output of this one. Okay, but here we are only getting output of CT2. Okay, but if we'll apply a simple type of join between both of these, then we can see the entire data. Left join CT, just name as CT2 on. I think so you're familiar with the join concept. If you're not, then please just go and watch my video. I have uploaded a separate video in which I have applied the entire concept of join, and it is very useful if you're preparing for interviews. Now, this is a basic syntax of join. Select star from table name, the left join, which type of join we are using, and condition like on t1 dot id equals to t2 dot id. Okay. Now we will execute this and use the output. Here you can see that we applied left join, so we are having this sort of rows. But what we want only that data, okay, which are having the highest salary and lowest salary. How can we do this? Just I'll remove this and I'll apply dp t1 dot dp id. Okay, and or t2 dot dp id, and what we want rank, we want salary, t1 dot salary and t2 dot salary. Okay, and if we can filter this data on the basis of certain condition like where ESC equals to 1 and DSC equals to 1, then what will get in output? Just see. Yep. So what we get? We get for department ID 1, this is the highest salary and this is the lowest salary. We will just change this as T1 is for this table, name is CTE. Okay, CT2, and CT2 is giving us the highest, the lowest salary, name as lowest salary, and I'll just copy and paste this name to save the time. It will be the highest salary. Okay, and from the respective table name. Okay, so for department ID 1, the lowest salary is this and the highest salary is this, and the lowest salary is this and highest salary is this. We can compare it from data. Like for department ID 1, which is the lowest salary, is this 30,000, and the highest salary is 50,000. And similarly for the department ID 2. But why we are solving this problem with so much of complexity? Is there any other approach by which we can solve this problem? Any suggestions? Just think about that. This is a very simple problem. If I'll do select star from the table name, which is new employee, and what we want in output, we want simple the minimum and higher salary. If I'll use dep id min of salary as minimum salary and max of salary as max salary, this will work or not? Any guesses? Okay, it is giving an error. What is the error? Here we are doing aggregation, but we haven't applied group by. Okay, because we want data on the basis of department ID, correct? Now we will see the output. Yep, this problem can be solved with a simple query. So this is a basic concept that I want that you should know about that. In SQL Server, we can directly use min and max function for this sort of problem. There's no need to use this advanced Windows function. So it is very important for you if you are preparing for an interviews or you are working in a company that when to use the right function. Correct? So I'm just repeating the problem statement once again. Here's the problem. We want to find the minimum and maximum salary for this records. What we did, we have learned about the concept of rank, row number, and dense rank. And after that, we have just implemented a dense rank concept to solve this problem. And we were able to solve this concept, solve this problem successfully. But then we have tried another approach with the help of max and minimum function. And with that, we have solved this problem in 2 lines. So this is the basic outcome of this problem. I hope so that you understand this concept properly. If you're enjoying my videos, then please just like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. That will definitely motivate me to give to publish some more interesting question for you. Thank you, everyone.